Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Siyan ke Sarkar kan sa Plie no ke Surok bypass sa Damsite ke balasnak nang nakabenta banyak ki kali kit mar ki bahe hadin balakhang ki kali he kom ki bus ki bakit ki nonglai nongwan bat ki trok kit mar banyak lingba ke Surok GS road hadin balasnapan bha ki jingking Damsite hapung umyam hak jekran bigelat pathai ke bor hak khandro torik leber aja apun reo uba prestun tin song ubade sumbut menteri rang ba jala uba khmi ka tra PWD roads Ïathuh ba jing sa teng wan Plie yakni ke Surok kalong namar ba ki dangdan ki benta ki bidang sa banchna pendap Ïathuh ru ba ke Surok na sherpi shabarik ke Sarkar ke lashim garai banchna no kum ke Surok fulin hak jaka ke elevated road Ïathuh ba jing snaru ya ke Surok shilong dau ki kidang ya chakmat
Now it's more or less few percentage of remaining works are there. So very soon we are going to inaugurate that bridge.
So there are concerns
that road is being constructed for the commercial vehicle only, yes. But at the same time, light vehicles can still ply from the main check dam. That is still there. We allow, but heavy vehicle and commercial vehicle will ply from the newly constructed bridge. We had a meeting, detailed meeting, and then now that proposal of elevated road seems to be not that feasible. We decided recently that 4-lane, right from the Umshirpi bridge up to Barik Point, will be converted into 4-lane instead of elevated road. Yes, that day we had a joint meeting under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister. He called a meeting even from the GOC, represented by the GOC himself, and we discussed all in detail. And then we have asked PLUD and HID cell, as long as with together with the army officers, to have a joint inspection and ultimately work out how much the area or the land required. But the decision was taken that day that 4-lane should be in place instead of elevated road. Well, it's a long donkey road, so the progress is very good, no doubt of it. It's very good, and right now the company, they are trying the best to make sure that within the prescribed targeted date to complete it. Okay, thank you. Yes.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.